Hello everybody, today I'm folding clothes. Would you like to help me fold the clothes? I have a t-shirt. I'm going to start by folding the t-shirt in half sideways. Then I'm going to fold in the sleeves so that they lie flat on top. Finally, I'm going to fold the t-shirt in half the other way. This is now ready to go away. I also have a pair of socks. I'm going to bring the socks together and fold over the tops. That way I don't end up with any odd socks in my drawer, and I can always find a pair when I need them. Lastly, I have a pair of trousers that need folding. I'm going to fold them in half sideways, then I'm going to fold up from the bottom once, and then again. They are now ready to go away. Thank you for helping me fold all these clothes. See you again soon.